Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this video presentation about making a scientific presentation in our conference in Shivamogga. This is the first part of the two-part series, and here I am going to explain the rules of our conference regarding abstracts uploading and sharing the files through the Google Drive to our website. In the second part of the video I will be showing you how to make videos. There are 8 steps in the process of creation of the abstract and uploading the share link to our website. I have used a laptop with Windows 10 operating system. LibreOffice Portable as the Office suite for creation of the docs file. I use Audacity Portable for recording the audio files and OpenShot Portable for making the video. Please note, all the rules regarding the abstracts are displayed on our website in the abstract section. First of all, go and see the rules and understand them. Here I am going to tell you about some of the basic rules. Each abstract will have 2 pages, and in the first page there will be identifiers. The second page will have the actual matter of the abstract, and it should have introduction, objectives, materials and methods, observation and conclusion sections in that order. This second page should not have any identifiers. Next is creation of the abstract. Use any word processor in any Office suite to create your abstract in docs format. Follow all the rules described in our website during the creation of the abstract. Then convert the docs file to PDF format. The PDF file should be named in this particular format. In the beginning of the name of the file you should type your registration number in the conference. For example, my registration number is 12, so all my files will be saved starting with 12. If I have more than one presentation, then 12.1 or 12.2 or 12.3 will be the starting letters of the files that I upload. If it is abstract you will add A, if it is video you will add V, if it is your photograph add I, and if it is a PPTX file you should add P. Now your abstract is ready and you're about to upload to Google Drive. Let us assume that you already have a Google email ID and have access to your Google Drive. If not, create a new Google email ID, or you can use the Google Drive of your friend also. It is left to you. Then the most important step would be to add our email ID in your Google contact list. I think you know our email ID. It is koacon2024shivamogga@gmail.com. Log in to your Google Drive. Create a new folder called koacon2024 Shivamogga. Open that new folder and start uploading the relevant files there. In this picture you can see the plus new button at the left side of Google Drive, marked with a red arrow. You can see that I have created a new folder koacon2024 Shivamogga, which is marked 2. And I have opened it. You can see that I have uploaded my abstract in my Google Drive. I have marked it 3. At this stage, if you have not renamed your file properly, do it now. First your registration ID, then your presentation number 1 or 2 or 3, followed by what is the content of the uploaded file, for abstract A, for video V, and for PPTX file, P. Next step is sharing the files with us in the Google Drive. For that, click on the dotted vertical line marked with the 4th arrow. You will open the menu related to that file. Click the Share menu and in the sub-menu select the Share menu. You will see the following small window where you have to enter the email ID of the recipient. Start typing our email ID as koacon20 etc. If you have already added us in your Google contacts, you will get to choose our ID. Choose by clicking on it. If you have already added us in your Google contacts, you will get to see the following screen where you have to make us a viewer. Most important is to intake the notify option. Click this hyperlink icon marked 4 in this picture to copy the share link. You will see the message link copied. Start Windows Notepad and paste the link there and save the text file in a suitable place. You will need it later. If you have not added our email ID in your contacts, then you will not get these options. The sharing screen will remain like that. Click the settings button to intake the options for editor and go back to the initial screen. Click the copy link and paste the copied link to the text file you just created. Prepare the text file correctly, so that you will remember what the contents are and what they mean. The 6th step is to log into our website. Go to registration and then click re-login to your area. After login you will reach your home page. Scroll down and go to the scientific arena by clicking on the button Submit, edit your files. In the scientific arena click on the button Add. A new entry will be added. You can add up to 3 entries. It is left to you. One delegate can present 1 paper and 1 poster at the maximum. If you add more than 2 papers or posters, we will choose the best among them. It is left to you. Okay, we have just added 1 entry. Then what? Scroll down the page after you have clicked the Add button. You will find the Edit 1 foot link. Click on it to go to the entry editor. This is very important, otherwise you will not be able to complete the process. Here you can see the file links editor. Start by selecting the correct type of presentation and category of topic. Then fill the title of presentation. Now open your text file, which you have saved earlier. Copy the link to share the abstract file in the specified area. Click the update button to save. That is half the job done. Next, stand near a podium and take a neat side view of you. Upload the photo as such to your Google Drive. There, rename the photograph according to our rules mentioned before. In the Google Drive, create the share link and copy it to the text file which is mentioned before. Note that I have named different links properly to avoid confusion. Log in to our website. Go to the scientific arena and then to the editor. Finally complete all the entries in the editor. Then click the update button. You are done for now. Congratulations. Now you have mastered a new skill. You will be using these skills many times in your life. We have come to the end of this video. See you soon with part 2 video with exciting new skill of making a video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.